Come with me and my baby to Obaringi Restore concert.
Heading out for that Obaringi live. All my ladies. See you guys in a minute. All right, we out here backstage. Restore concert. Kella one day. Simo. Fine boy. Great man. No one demola. IK is feeling for me busy. We have a sniper in the building. Let me talk to him. Chains are breaking. If I be outside. If I be a man of God. Yes, the locust and Kankawa Mastoni will be what? Restored. Yeah, be restored. Kind. That's by Nemo.
My lovely wife, Auntie Rabina, Auntie Ose, my sister and my nieces, the whole family came outside. The whole room was packed out with people. It was so phenomenal, man. Young people just praising God and vibing on Obaringi. And my favorite part, my little baby Shekana came to perform with daddy on stage. I was giving sugar energies back to back.
That's my baby. And I know 59.
Like, she didn't want to leave at all. She wanted to hold the mic all through. It was crazy, man. If you're looking for Afro-urban Christian events and festivals you can attend with your friends and families, look at my caption below for more details.